Looking for the easiest and most secure way to share your files using OneDrive? You're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to generate a OneDrive link, but you'll understand how to fine-tune permissions, control access, and even create direct download links, giving you total command over how your files are shared online. Let's dive right in. Start by navigating to your OneDrive, which can be accessed either through the desktop app or the web interface, whichever you prefer or have available. Take a second and find the specific file or folder you want to share. If you're like me and have a lot of documents, it can be helpful to use the search bar or organize by date to quickly spot what you need. Once you found the file or folder, right-click on it. On the web, it's a straightforward right-click or a tap on the three dots for more options. On the desktop app, a right-click will open the complete OneDrive menu. Look for the option labeled Share. This is the starting point for creating your link. Clicking Share is like opening the gateway to sharing that document or folder with anyone, anywhere. Now this is where it gets interesting and honestly quite powerful. Link settings. Before you blast that link out to your friends, clients, or coworkers, pause for a moment and tweak the permissions to fit your needs. You'll see options like anyone with the link, which means absolutely anyone who has that URL can access the content. Really convenient for broad sharing, like sending family photos around or collaborating with external partners. If you need more control, you can restrict access to specific people by entering their email addresses. There's also the view-only setting, which ensures people can see your file but can't make changes. This is perfect for distributing certificates, policies, or presentations that shouldn't be edited. Take a second to carefully consider how public or private you want this content to be. Do you want anyone with the link to edit or only view? There's also an option to set an expiration date. This is so handy if you want to limit how long someone has access, like sharing a download link for an event that ends soon. It's a small detail, but it can really enhance your file's security. Once your settings are just right, go ahead and click Copy Link. In a blink, OneDrive generates a shareable URL that you can paste into an email, a chat, or wherever you need it. Don't worry if it takes a couple of seconds. OneDrive is just finalizing those permissions you picked. For most folks, this link will do the trick, but let's level up. Maybe you want people to download the file directly without even going to OneDrive. Here's a neat trick. Use the embed code option and swap out the word embed in the generated link for download. This instantly creates a direct download link. It's a favorite for sharing forms, contracts, or large assets where you want to skip the preview step altogether. And that's it. You now know not just how to create a OneDrive sharing link, but also how to adjust its power and reach to fit exactly what you need. Remember, a little thought about permissions goes a long way toward keeping your documents secure and your recipients happy. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. If you have questions or want me to cover anything else about OneDrive, just drop a comment below. I read every one. And for more practical tech guides like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next video.